So you caught me in the middle of doing some product research. Welcome to the video. This video, I'm going to be finding $1,000 day winning products live in under 5 minutes. The tool and software I'm going to be using is called dropship.com. Feel free to check it out below. So this product right here, you can easily make $1,000 for Q4. Selling price is going to be $40. Product cost is going to cost you around $30. Now, the reason why I chose this for you is because it's an easy, specific, niche down demographic for you to target, which in this case would be Volkswagen, which is a pretty sure most of you know what a Volkswagen is. If not, it's a car company. Right here you can see on Dropship Hunter, we already have that set up for you as an interest for you to test on Facebook, as well as a ready to go video ad for you to use for your Facebook feed as well as your Instagram feed. Now, stay with me here because the next two products are going to blow you away, especially when it comes to the profit margins and how much you're going to make for each one. And you'll also get to see access to one of the products I'm actually going to be testing for Q4, so you can scale along with me. I don't mind the competition. Like I say in every video, I want us both to win. So to head over to the next product of which I have for you, which is Plug Outlet Finder. Now, you're going to be selling this for $55. It's going to cost you, including shipping, product cost is going to be $20, giving you a profit margin of $35.53. Now, I actually pulled this ad up over on Facebook, so we're going to head over to my Facebook page and we're going to look at this video ad right here. As you can see, based off the engagement, they're looking at 2K comments, about 3K in engagement. So, it's safe to say that this product has already been tested. It's making money, and it seems to be converting. They've had this running up since September 8th. Very quick descriptive ad copy directing them directly to the website. I'm not going to go on their website in this video. I'll play a couple seconds of the video and then we'll go over to the next product of which I have for you. So as you can see right here, it's just basic. It's just a Volkswagen logo, but what it does is it glows. The emblem of the Volkswagen logo, it glows in the dark. So most people, which is why I catered for you to target the niche of people who's interested in Volkswagen for that particular product. Now, let's continue on with the third product of which I have, which I told you I'm going to be testing for Q4, is the levitating plant pot. I actually just came across this and it blew my mind. This is based off how this product actually works, which I'll save for another video, but off the bat, you see you're making great profit margin, $75 a sale. The product cost is going to cost you $54.49. Don't worry, I'm about to head over to AliExpress. Just bear with me, stay patient. You're going to be selling this for about $129.99. Now, me personally, I'm going to sell this for $150, probably $154.99. So I'm going to be making a profit margin of $100, but to each his own. As provided through Dropship Hunter, we have a ready-to-go product description, and we have the targeting for you, which is gardening and gardening tips. And of course, we have the video ad for you to go about testing that. But I'm not going to show you that because, like I said, I'm actually testing this product. But what I will show you is the data and the analytics as we head over to AliExpress. Therefore, you can go find your own supplier or look at the supplier which I'm using in this video. Now, I pulled up the data of the stats for it within the last 30 days. As you see, within the last 6 months, this product's already sold over 548 times. And more importantly, it is October, so let's take a look at how this product change started based in September all the way to where we are. So it had a nice upwards hill rise. It's levitating around anywhere from 30 through 50 sales, and then a spike towards the end of September. It reached a high peak of 86 all the way up to 100, and based on the graph, it looks like we're in for another spike. Now, this is the perfect product that I'm going to be using to scale. Hopefully, you go about scaling this product too. And then down here, we can see the competition rating, so on and so on. So, the last tool I want you to use. So, even if you choose not to go about using the products that I show you in my video, there is another alternative which you can do to see what's trending currently and what people our competition is selling, or just to give you another general idea of what's trending. This is a completely free website. All you have to do is go to trends.google.com, type in a niche of what you want to sell in, type in the name of the product. It'll show you based on the search range. I believe it's in the last 30 days. However, you can tweak it to show you longer extended periods of time, and just type in the niche or the name of the product. You can see it's trending. I'm not going to do that because I'm cutting off the video here for time's sake. But this is also another alternative. If you're interested in any of the 3 products I showed you to get access to them, all you have to do is click on the link pinned below in the comment section where it says Dropship Hunter, sign up, create an account, and you have full access. Thank you for watching this video. With that, I conclude this video. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up button. Leave me any comments, questions, concerns. If you want to work with me one-on-one, click on the description where it says schedule a one-on-one meeting with MrDavinci. In the meantime, once you watch this playlist, which is popping up on the screen, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.